Take 3 cloves of garlic and thickly slice. Using the point of a sharp knife, make small incisions all over the lamb. Then poke a slice of garlic into each incision. Cut the rosemary into smaller sprigs and push them into the incisions too. Cover the lamb and chill for at least 2 hours, or preferably overnight. Take the lamb out of the fridge an hour before you roast it. This will allow it to come to room temperature. Sit the lamb on top of the chopped vegetables, season and drizzle with oil. Then roast for 15 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Celsius fan, gas mark 7. After 15 minutes, turn down the heat to 190 degrees Celsius, 170 degrees Celsius fan, gas mark 5, and roast for a further hour and 20 minutes. When the lamb is cooked, remove it from the oven, cover, and leave it to rest for about half an hour. If you're doing roast potatoes, now's the time to put them in the oven. Cook the peas and allow to cool. Add the mint leaves, capers, toasted almonds, garlic, lemon juice, and oil. Whiz until smooth, season to taste. Heat the juices from the lamb in the roasting tin and serve as a gravy. Drizzle over the pesto to serve. Made this recipe? Tell us what you think.